Leadership isn't flying solo. You know, as the saying goes, there's no I in team. It's a team effort. Our best vision comes from gathering diverse voices, not silencing them. See leadership as an invitation to bring people together for a common cause. Don't just stand above the crowd and, be part of it. It's not all me, right? Every person here in the team adds value in a unique way. So when people feel safe to share their bold, creative ideas, whatever it may be, the company flourishes. Complement each other's gifts and you'll go farther, a lot farther. Leadership is about realizing our greatest potential lies in unity, not division. It takes all of us.
I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God.